Love is like onion. Love is like onion. It can make you cry, but it's very good for your health. If you try any time in your life, you'll feel all the different taste. It improves the taste of everything, even if it's gonna make you cry. Sometimes doesn't, but most of the time you cry. When you leave someone behind, your heart is like chopped onions. You're gonna cry, but the taste of what you learned is gonna improve your next experience. Love like onion, onion like love.